Hello and welcome to 3-Minute Theology Thursday. Today we are talking about the omniscience of God, what it means, what the Bible has to say about it, and why it matters. Roll the intro. Okay, let's get 3 minutes on the screen and let's get into it. In systematic theology, Wayne Grudem talks about God's omniscience like this: God fully knows himself and all things actual and possible in one simple and eternal act. Now, in the Bible, in the book of Job, Elihu says, "Do you know the balancings of the clouds, the wondrous works of him who is perfect in knowledge?" In 1 John it says that whenever our hearts condemn us, God is greater than our heart and he knows everything. Now, the amazing part about God knowing everything is that he even knows himself. In 1 Corinthians it says that these things God has revealed to us through the Spirit, for the Spirit searches everything, even the depths of God. For who knows a person's thoughts except the spirit of that person which is in him? So also, no one comprehends the thoughts of God except the Spirit of God. Now, this is incredible because God's being, his attributes, his character, who God is infinite. We, as humans, we can never fully know all of God. But for God, who is all-knowing, he can fully know himself. Now, God also knows us, humans. Psalm 139 is all about David reflecting on how God knows us. For example, just look at these first couple of verses. "O Lord, you have searched me and known me. You know when I sit down and when I rise up. You discern my thoughts from afar. You search out my path and my lying down, and are acquainted with all my ways. Even before a word is on my tongue, behold, O Lord, you know it all together." Now, the thing about God's knowledge is that he can't gain knowledge and he can't lose knowledge, because if he could do either one, that wouldn't make him all-knowing or omniscient. And we share in God's omniscience because we have knowledge. God has given us the ability to know certain things. The biggest difference, of course, between our knowledge and God's knowledge is that our knowledge is limited while God is all-knowing. We're not all-knowing. So, that is the omniscience of God. Thank you for watching. My name is Jacob, and God willing, I'll see you in the next video. Remember to set your mind on things above. Now, YouTube really thinks you're gonna like this video, so I'd say give it a shot, check it out.